Hey there, fellow creators. Today, we're going to talk about designing a thumbnail for our small video project featuring AI. We're going to create a design that's bold and eye-catching, using thick text and a combination of yellow and green colors. And of course, we're going to discuss how we can monetize our content and earn some money. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's think about the design elements we want to incorporate. We're going for a bold, modern look, so we'll be using thick text. This will make our thumbnail stand out and grab the viewer's attention. Next, we'll be using a combination of yellow and green colors. These colors are bright and vibrant, which will help our thumbnail pop and make it more visually appealing. Now, let's talk about how we can monetize our content. There are several ways to do this, such as using affiliate links, sponsorships, or even selling our own products. We'll discuss these options in more detail in our upcoming videos. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember, the key to success in creating content is to be creative, consistent, and patient. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.